Welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can perform a one-sample binomial test using Python and the stikpetP library. I'm using Jupyter Lab. I'll leave a link to this notebook in the description below. If you don't want to use the stikpetP library, then I have a separate video on that. You can watch it over here. The Python version I'm currently using is 3.9.7 apparently, but I think it also works with 3.10. This video will focus on getting the output, not so much if you should be using this test and all the interpretations that go with the output itself. The one sample proportion binomial test can be used sometimes if you want to compare two proportions. So if you have a binary variable, I'll be needing an example file for that, which I'll store as a pandas data frame. So I'll need pandas, and then I'll use the read CSV function to load in the student statistics data. To get a quick impression, I'll be using the gender, which was apparently only male and female in the survey. There were 34 male and 12 females. Now, using the library, we of course need to first load that library. It's available on GitHub, so you can use this line with pip install to actually load it in. I'm going to load it as PS, and the function that we're needing is TS for test, and then binomial OS for one sample. It has a few parameters. Data is of course a must. Then codes, which is an optional list with the two codes to compare. So if you have more than two, you can, with the code, select the two that you want to compare. P0 is the hypothesized proportion. By default, it will be set to 0.5. And if you want it to, for the two-sided significance, there are 3 different methods that I've come across, and you can select the one that you want to use. So I can then just type in the name of the function with the PS in front of it, and then give it the field that I was interested in, and it should give me the p-value immediately and the name of the test that was actually used. The 0.0016 is very low. Usually below 0.05 is considered low enough, which means that then the assumption that it would have been 50-50 is rejected, and therefore we would say that there's a significant difference in the number of males and females. And that's how you can perform the one sample binomial test with the stikpetP library. So hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.